Let's take a look at the 1963 Mack Fire Truck first. Now at first glance, I would buy it anyways because I like red fire trucks. But at first glance, I would have thought, oh, the Seagrave backed out. But no, let's compare the Mack with the Seagrave. Seagrave, hey, it's convertible, look. Or a roadster, it's got no roof. Just kidding, come on, give me a break. So anyways, there's a look. It's taller. This part's plastic here, whereas the Seagrave, pretty much metal except for the black parts. The black parts are plastic, and the interior, of course. There is an interior to the Mack. It's a little hard to see because the windows are so small. But let me give you the 360. Sorry for the noisy turntable. It's got this funny sound to it. Are they the same on both sides? Take a look at that side. No, Tampo's not the same on each side, which it shouldn't be, right? For a fire truck, they don't have the same tools, hoses, knobs, and all that stuff on each side. This side has hoses, the other side has a ladder. Just like the Seagrave, got a ladder on the right side. And hoses and accessories on the left side. Now we're going to take a look at the BMW X5 Police. Love me police cars. I would assume, or I think, that the tampos look pretty realistic to what you would see. I don't necessarily follow the vehicle to know how it's designed. But as you can tell, the light bar on top, hey, no push bar, bummer. That's alright, still like police cars. But my favorites are police cars that have push bars and light bars. But the light bar on top, if you notice, the light bar just kind of comes up out of the roof. That's because it is all one plastic piece with the windows, as opposed to, let me show you the Subaru WRX, the sample of the Subaru WRX right here. The blue light bar on top shows that it's a separate piece for the window. So in the past, where we used to get a separate light bar that would be inserted into the roof, that will be no more for the $1 basic range. For Matchbox, it's going to be combined with the window, all one piece. This way they can reduce their costs, yet provide a nice model at a price that consumers are willing to pay. So I'll be looking for a couple extra of that one, as I do like police cars. And last up, a mini dozer. And if you're watching this July 2014. I went a week without videos. That's because I was at the Matchbox Gathering Convention in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And so, unfortunately, I didn't have any videos ready to go. So that's one reason for the delay, and I'll show you another reason in a second. Hey, okay, I was going to say, don't tell me it doesn't move. There's your little mini dozer. Hey look, it's an RC car. It has a little antenna for remote control. Oh, exhaust? Okay. Looking at this one, it's a cute little model. Reminds me of another cute little model. Skidster. This model here. I got a few color variations. Not exactly a model that I ever collect because I'm not into construction. But there you go, mini dozer, along with some color samples of the Skidster. A little history on models that I know. I don't know a whole lot of Matchbox, but you know, I can point out what I do know. This presentation was bonus content after a case unboxing video. If you want to see the rest of the case, it is shown here or in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.